Please change here for Yoroshiku Pt.1 or Tohoku Skytree line or Tokyo Metro Hibiya line.
Hello everyone, I'm Dante, and this is Dante Dakara, and today I am on a trip. Well, this weekend I'm on a trip, but how did I get here, and what did I bring with me? This is going to be a three-part video, so this first part is going to be setting up the trip and then taking all the transportation to get here. The next video is going to be the reason for the trip, and then the last video is going to be a traveler's video showing you the highlights of the trip, the hotel that I'm staying in right now, and some of the sights to be seen in the area that I'm in. Now, without further ado, let's pack everything up. Let's get to where I'm at now. If you want to catch the rest of those videos, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified whenever those videos are posted. And I would really appreciate your support. So go ahead and like this video and comment any questions or any comments that you might have. Of course, comment any comments you might have about this video. All right, anyway, let's get to it.
I didn't want to pack a lot, but I also didn't like the idea of needing something and not having it. So I'm packing a bag for clothes and gear. For clothes, 2 of everything: undies, pants, t-shirts, socks. And I'm putting all of this together in my Lululemon Seaweeze 2016 duffel bag. Yes, that's a mouthful. And yes, these colors are a lot, but I like colors and I really like using this bag. I don't get to use it enough, and I think this will be the first time I've used it other than going to the gym, so I'm excited. Next up is gear. What's a YouTuber without gear, right? So I have mics, cables, and 2 kinds of tripods. One of them is a tabletop tripod, and the other is a extendable tripod for, you know, your traditional shooting. I also have adapters for my GoPro and my iPhone. I only use my iPhones and GoPro for my cameras. I'm not a big YouTuber, so I have to be flexible with what I have and just use what I have. I packed everything into this Lululemon bag, but I'll redistribute everything once I have an idea of my shot list, which I ended up making after this video. I also have my chesty for those nice walk around perspective shots. Next is my backpack. My everyday carry is my Timbuktu bag that was given to me by Adobe. I packed the materials I needed to keep my mind busy or to work from in this bag. So my Kindle, of course, my bullet journal, an English textbook, more on this in the next video, my iPad Pro with Logitech keyboard, a Mutt multi-tool, gotta have that, as well as my water bottle. I also packed my iPad USB-C hub, cables, a SanDisk Extreme Portable 500 gig SSD. It's waterproof, shockproof, drop-proof. It's pretty much everything proof, which is definitely necessary whenever you're traveling. Next is my hefty portable charger, then pens and pencils, and then lastly, my switch light for the train, and also my Soundcore Bluetooth earpods, which I'll keep in my pocket. I won't actually pack it in the bag. the one thing that's seemingly missing is my wallet. Fear not, I have to put my tickets in there first, so I wanted to go ahead and load that up to make sure that I didn't leave those behind. The next day, Duka prepared me a big breakfast of steak and eggs with toast. I tried to really enjoy that and enjoy my time with her before I left out. So I would be taking the Shinkansen, which this is only my second time, or rather it's my third time using a Shinkansen, but it's only my second trip using one. I had a mistake in another trip and had to use it twice because I'm stupid. Anyway, I took the Shinkansen up to the Tohoku area. I'm not going to exactly reveal where I was going, but along the way, I got to see some beautiful sights, and everyone knows how much I love nature. So this was so much fun for me to just stare out the window at the mountains.
Okay, so I just got off the Shinkansen and I'm heading to my connection. It says bus rapid transit, but I don't think it's a bus, I think it's a train, so we'll see.
This is the inside of a BRT, so yeah, it is a train, but it's a little bit different, and I think once I get off here, I'll explain.
Everyone, so I'm waiting at BRT something. BRT stands for like bus rapid transit. So what it is a kind of train that it sounds like, if you can hear that sound in the background, it sounds like a bus, right? That's a train. And I'm showing you some footage right now of the inside of this bus slash train. I've been on one of these before. I thought I hadn't, but after I got on, I realized that I went on one of these my first time in Japan when I was going from Kyoto to Iga, which is a small town that is famous for ninjas. I went there when I was a tourist before I lived here. And then also in the city where I work, there's also a train that does the same thing. That it kind of runs on a bus engine, and it's great because you don't need the infrastructure that you would need for a normal train line. You just get some rails in, and now you have a train that can just get anywhere. Anyway, this isn't about trains. Well, I mean, I guess it is. But also I've been noticing a lot of Pokemon stuff on this line. And I don't know what the deal is with that, actually. I thought about the fact that it might be a Pokemon Go promotion, but then there's been no reference to Pokemon Go. And then I keep looking over because, look at it. Pokemon. See? Crazy. Like, I mean, not crazy, I mean, it's cute, but like, why though? Anyway, so, I've been wondering like why this Pokemon thing's been going on. And reading the flag, it says Pokemon with you, Terrain, which I'm assuming it's a reference to the fact that it's for this train line specifically. And I'm thinking, and this is just my theory, so don't kill me in the comment section, but I'm thinking it's a way to revamp this line after all that's happened from 311. They want to get more people back in the area. They want to get people traveling again. And Pokemon are cute, and you get to see some of these statues at literally every station along this line. I'll show you a picture up here, like of another station or of another statue that they had that looked exactly like this. Anyway, so that's my mystery of the Pokemon thing. Let's get back to the trip.
Heading back out, I made sure that I got a stamp from the inside of the station, and then I enjoyed the rest of the ride on the way to my final destination. Where is my final destination? Well, you'll have to catch the next video for that. To make sure that you don't miss it, go ahead and subscribe and comment any questions you might have about this video. Until next time, I'm Dante. This is Dante Dakara. See ya.